Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to remove background noise on Discord. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to join a voice channel, and now when you're here, what you want to do is you want to go down to this option, noise suppression. Now what you want to do is you probably want to turn that on. And when you have done that, you have done it. You just suppressed every background noise and your friends will not complain. For example, your keyboard will not be heard or somebody clapping in your background will not be heard. You can also test that to make sure. But anyhow, guys, it's that simple really. If this helped you, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials and videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.